Hello my dear students, a very warm welcome to all of you. Students, I am Manorma Rani, teaching in DAET Gorakhpur, and today we will deal with our topic transformation of sentences. In this topic, today we will learn about active and passive voice. Students, first of all we will come to know about voice. What is voice? Voice is sound which express our feelings, our thoughts. There are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. So student, first of all we will come to know about active voice. In the active voice, the subject of the sentence does the action. For example, John painted the house, Mohan writes a letter. Active voice, it means student कर्तृवाच्य, यानी उस तरह के वाक्य जिसमें कर्ता की प्रधानता होती है उसे हम एक्टिव वॉइस या कर्तृवाच्य कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जॉन पेंटेड द हाउस, Mohan writes a letter. In both sentences, we find John and Mohan. Now our focus shifted on John and Mohan. So यहाँ पे कर्ता अपनी मुख्य भूमिका निभा रहा है, कर्ता की प्रधानता है, अतः हम इसे एक्टिव वॉइस कहते हैं. इस तरह के वाक्यों को हम एक्टिव वॉइस कहते हैं. What is passive voice? In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence receives the action. For example, the house was painted by John. The letter was written by Mohan. So student, passive voice means कर्मवाच्य. उस तरह के सेंटेंस जिसमें कर्म की प्रधानता होती है, जिसमें कर्म को वरीयता दी जाती है, उसे हम पैसिव वॉइस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द हाउस वॉज पेंटेड बाई मोहन, द लेटर वॉज रिटन बाई मोहन. इन बोथ सेंटेंसेस वी फाइंड दैट ऑब्जेक्ट, our focus shifted on object. So this sentence is called passive voice. Student, now we have come to know how to change, how to transform active sentences into passive voice. There are some rules and regulations from which we come to know how to change active voice sentences into passive voice. First of all, make the object of the active sentence into subject to the passive sentence. Use the verb to be in the same tenses as the main verb of the active sentence. Use the past participle of the main verb of the active sentence. For example, Rita wrote a letter. Okay, so student, this is active voice. Rita wrote a letter. How we change it into passive voice? First of all, we have come to know that Rita is subject in this sentence, wrote is verb in this sentence, and a letter is object in this sentence. When we change it into passive voice, then first of all we use a letter object. First of all we use a letter, okay, object. And after that we use auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb on this sentence? Student, this sentence is in past tense. So in past tense we use was and were helping verb. So we use here a letter was. And after that we use past participle. Verb की third form का हम use करेंगे. Here write wrote and we change it into third form written and then use by, and after that it last we use subject. Means student, in active voice first of all use subject, then verb and then object. But when we change it into passive voice, then first of all we use object, then auxiliary verb, then past participle and use by and then use subject. यानी कि जब हम सेंटेंसेस को एक्टिव से पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हम ऑब्जेक्ट को लिखते हैं पैसिव वॉइस में, उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट में टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज करते हैं, उसके बाद हम वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज करते हैं और बाई का यूज करते हुए हम सब्जेक्ट को सबसे लास्ट में रखते हैं, क्योंकि एक्टिव सेंटेंसेस में सब्जेक्ट की प्रधानता होती है जबकि पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंसेस में ऑब्जेक्ट की प्रधानता होती है। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ लुक मोर एग्जाम्पल। शी कुक्स फूड, पैसिव वॉइस द फूड इज कुक्ड बाई हर। इन बोथ सेंटेंसेस वी फाइंड दैट इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस, she, subject, verb and object. When we change it into passive voice, then first of all we use the food and use helping verb according to active voice tense. She comes. Now this sentence is in past tense, so we use is, am, are helping verb. Here the food, then we use helping verb is, and after that we use verb third form cooked and use by and use she, change this pronoun in her. Okay student, so first of all we use object, helping verb, verb's third form, by, and after that subject. Okay, while converting of active voice sentence into passive voice, then the pronoun which used in active voice change into passive voice in the following manner. मीन्स स्टूडेंट जब एक्टिव वॉइस में आए हुए प्रोनाउन को हम पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करते हैं तो ये प्रोनाउन फॉलोइंग मैनर में चेंज हो जाता है। कैसे चेंज हो जाता है? आई चेंज इनटू बाय मी, वी चेंज इनटू by us, he changed into by him, she changed into by her, they changed into by them, you changed into by you, and it changed into by it. यानी you और it ये as it is रहता है, इसके अलावा I, we, he, she, they ये चेंज हो जाते हैं according to this rule. Okay student, conversion of active to passive sentences in different tenses. Student, there are 12 tenses in English grammar, but only 8 tenses will change into passive voice. Okay student, how we change active voice into passive voice and how we will be careful in the sense of tense. Okay, first of all we come to know how to change present simple tense. In present simple tense, first of all we use object, then helping verb is, am, are, and then use verb third form and by and subject. It means student जब भी एक्टिव से हम पैसिव वॉइस में सेंटेंस को चेंज करते हैं तो हमेशा ही हमको वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज करना है, बाई का यूज करना है और सब्जेक्ट को लास्ट में रखना है। लेकिन टेंस जो है वो about to simple tense, past tense we have to change it helping verb. In present tense we use is, am, are. For example, he sing a song, he does not sing a song, does he sing a song? Now we find 3 type of sentences. This is positive, this is negative, and this is interrogative sentence. When we change these sentences into passive voice, then we use a song. First of all, we use object, a song, then use helping verb is, because this sentence is in present tense, is, and we use verb third form, then use by, and he changed into him. A song is sung by him. When we change it into negative form, First of all use object a song, then use helping verb, and after that we use negative not and use verb third form and by and him. Okay, a song is not sung by him means not used after helping verb. When we change it into interrogative form, first of all we use helping verb. The helping verb of present tense is, then we use object a song and use verb third form, then use by and he change into him. Is a song sung by him. Okay student, so in present tense, positive sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence, we change these type of sentences in this form. Okay, understood? Now look how to change simple past tense. In simple past tense, first of all we use object and then use was and were. In past tense we use helping verb was and were, verb third form and use by and after that subject. So now look here, these active voice sentences. I killed a snake. I did not kill a snake. Did I kill a snake? This is positive, this is negative, and this is interrogative sentence. When we change these active voice sentences into passive voice, then first of all we use object of active voice, a snake, and then use helping verb was and were. So a snake was, verb third form by, and use I change into me. Okay, a snake was killed by me. And when we change it into negative form, a snake was not used after helping verb and third form verb and by and me. A snake was not killed by me. And when we use it, when we change it into interrogative form, then we use, first of all we use helping verb, and the helping verb was and were. So we use here was a snake killed by me. Okay students, now let's see how to change future simple tense. In future simple tense, when we change active sentences into passive voice, so first of all we use object, then use will and shall, and then use we, will be or shall be, then verb third form, then by, and after that we use subject of the sentence. Now these active voice examples: she will buy a car, she will not buy a car, will she buy a car. These three type of sentences, positive, negative and interrogative. When we change these active voice sentences into passive voice, then first of all we use object. The object is a car, then use helping verb will or shall, and then use be. Will be, we use will be or shall be. So use here will be, then use verb third form, use by, and she change into her. Okay, a car will be bought by her. And in negative form, a car will not always use after helping verb, will not be, and be use after not, will not be bought by her. Now third sentence is interrogative: will a car be bought by her. Now interrogative, this helping verb, then use object and then use be, bought by her. Okay, will a car be bought by her. Okay student, so in future simple tense we use helping verb will be or shall be according to subject. How to change present continuous tense? When we make active sentences into passive voice, then which rules we follow in present continuous tense? In present continuous tense, first of all we use object, and helping verb is MR, and then use being, verb third form, and by and subject. Now look here example student, this is active voice sentences. I am writing a letter. I I am not writing a letter. Am I writing a letter? These three type of sentences, positive, negative and interrogative, active voice sentences. When we change it into passive voice, then how we change? First of all, we use a letter, object, a letter, then use helping verb plus being. Helping verb is and use being, and then change verb third form, then by, and I change into me. Okay? A letter is not being. Not is used between helping verb and being. Not. Written by me. Is a letter being written by me? Helping verb we use first of all in interrogative sentence, helping verb, then object, then being, then help verb, then by, and then subject. Past continuous tense. In past continuous tense we use object, was, were plus being, verb third form, and then use by and subject. For example, he was driving a car, he was not driving a car, was he driving a car? We change these sentences into passive voice. First of all use object, a car, then helping verb was, and use being, driven by him. A car was not being. Not is used between helping verb and being. Not. A car was not being driven by him. Was a car being driven by him? Helping verb, then use object, and then use being, and use verb third form, then by, then him. First of all we use object, then helping verb plus being, verb third form, and then use by, and at last we use subject. How we change present perfect tense? In present perfect tense, the helping verb is has and have. We add been in passive voice. First of all we use object, has, have, been plus verb third form, by, and subject. Okay student, now look these examples. She has finished her work. She has not finished her work. Has she finished her work? These three type of sentences, positive, negative and interrogative. When we change it into passive voice, then how we change it? First of all we use object, then helping verb has, and use been. Has been finished by her, verb third form, then use by, and then subject. And when we change it into negative form, her work has not been. Not used between has and been, then verb third form, by, and her. Has her work been finished by her? First of all use helping verb, then use object and been and finished by her. Okay student? Now look how to change past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, helping verb is had been. We use had been. For examples, they had completed the assignment. They had not completed the assignment. Had they completed the assignment? These three type of sentences. When we change it into passive voice, then how? The first of all we use object, had been, and verb third form, then by, and then subject. The assignment had been completed by them. And when we change it into negative form, then had and been, and between had and been we use not. First of all use object, helping verb, not been, completed by them. And in interrogative form, first of all we use helping verb, had the assignment been completed by them. Okay student, understood? And how to change future perfect tense? In future perfect tense, helping verb shall and will have, and we use been. Been. Shall have been or will have been, then verb third form, and by, and plus subject. For example, you will have started the job. You will not have started the job. Will you have started the job? when we change it into the job will have been, we use will have been. Will have been started by you, and when we change it into negative form, the job will have not been. Not is used between will have and been. Started by you, and will the job have been started by you. Okay, student. One thing that you should remember it, student, that future continuous and perfect continuous tense does not change in passive voice. Means two tenses, future continuous and perfect continuous tense is not change in passive voice form. Okay, students. Some active voice sentences have two objects. So how we solve them? Look example here, student. The teacher gave a reward to him. Now we find two objects here, a reward and to him. Okay. So how we change it? First of all, we use a reward and then use helping verb, third form, and then use infinite to him by the teacher. Or we can change it into other form. He was. First of all, we change this object here, we use here, change him, change into he was given a reward by the teacher. यानी कि उस तरह के सेंटेंस जिसमें दो ऑब्जेक्ट आते हैं, हम उसे दो तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. पहला, हम इस इनफिनाइट टू को लेके सब पैसिव वॉइस बना सकते हैं, और दूसरा इस इनफिनिट को हटाकर पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको लेते हुए कैसे बनाते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी यूज अ रिवार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट, अ रिवार्ड, देन यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब, वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, एंड देन यूज टू हिम बाय द टीचर. और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी यूज हिम, चेंज इनटू ही, एंड यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब गिवन अ रिवॉर्ड बाय द टीचर. ओके स्टूडेंट. One more example, he gave me a book. Now here me and a book, two objects. First of all, we use this object, a book was given to me by him. या to me का हम use कर सकते हैं या to को हम हटा सकते हैं. And the next example, we use first of all me change into I was given a book by him. Here we remove to, here we use to. Okay students. The interrogative sentences are two type, WH type interrogative and helping verbs type interrogative. So here we find how to make passive voice sentences which start from WH type interrogative words. First of all, we use question word, then helping verb, and then object, then to, be, and verb third form, and by, and subject. How we solve it? How we make active interrogative sentences into passive voice? Look here example student. Why are you washing your shirt? First of all, we use this interrogative word. Why? Why? Then use helping verb. Why is your. Then use your shirt. Object. Why is your shirt? Being. Student, this sentence is in continuous tense, present continuous tense, so we use being here. Okay. First of all, we use helping verb, we use interrogative word why, then use helping verb, then use object your shirt, and use being, verb third form washed by and you. Okay. And next example is when did your mother cooked the food? So first of all, we use help question word when, and then use helping verb. This sentence is in past tense, so we use was or were. So when was, then use object the food, and use being, cooked by your mother. Okay student. And the sentence which start from who question word, we solve it. First of all, we use by whom in this type of sentences when we change it into passive voice. then helping verb, then be, and verb third form, and then other word we use. So first of all, who change into by whom. By whom, then use helping verb, okay student, and the broke, this is past tense, so we use here was, and object the chair, broken, verb third form. Who teaches you, by whom, because instead of who we change it by whom. By whom are you taught, okay student. वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज करते हैं और हु की जगह बाई वूम का प्रयोग करते हैं, और ये रूल उन सेंटेंसेस, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के लिए है जो हु से स्टार्ट होती हैं. हु को हटाने के लिए हम बाय वूम का यूज करते हैं. We can change imperative sentences in passive voice also student. How? In active voice imperative sentence we find verb first form and then object. Imperative sentences always start from verb. So verb third form, verb first form, and then use object. When we change imperative sentences into passive voice, then we use let, object, and be, then verb third form by and you. Here student we use you, by you subject, okay. So open the door. When we change this imperative sentence into passive voice, then we use let, the door, and use be, opened by you. Means first of all we use let, and then use object of the sentence, then use be, verb third form, and add by you, okay student. Next example is sing a sweet song. So we use let, a song, let, a sweet song, object be, sung by you. Sing a sweet song, let, a sweet song, let, a sweet song, object, and use be, sung, and by you add here, okay student. यानी imperative sentences में by you का use हम करते हैं और let and be का use करते हैं. Let and after that we use object and then use be, okay students. In imperative type sentences there is use in please come here also. The sentence which start from please, okay, we change this please into you are requested, or kindly. Kindly is also changed you are requested. Please and kindly change into you are requested and to. So how we make these sentences passive voice? Please come here, this is active voice. When we change it into passive voice, how? First of all we add you are requested to, and then here use object to come here, okay student. Kindly grant me only 1 day leave. When we change it into passive voice, this is active voice, and when we change it into passive voice, then we add you are requested to grant me only 1 day leave. Here we find verb first form. The imperative sentences which start from please or kindly, we use you are requested to. We start this type of sentences with you are requested to, okay. Then use object of the sentence as here as, okay. So student, I think that you understood all the steps of active and passive voice, how to change active sentences into passive voice. This is your homework student. Please note down it. Now note down it. Change the following sentences into passive voice. The first sentence is the peon opened the gate. This sentence is in past tense, so we use here was and verb helping verb, okay student. He is writing a letter. This sentence is in present continuous tense, so we use is mr plus been. Okay, pay the bill today means this sentence is start from verb, so this is imperative sentence, so we use let be. Please serve the dinner, this is sentence start from please, so here we use you are requested to. Okay, what are you doing, this sentence start from question word, so use first of all question word. The boys called him a hero, here two object also, so you have to change this sentence in two ways which we have discussed before. Okay student, so I think that you understood all the active passive voice steps. Till then student, I will meet in your next class. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.